Well, Omicron continues its rapid spread across America, especially impacting the unvaccinated in all age groups. CBS 13's Michael George has more details from New York.
Children under 5 may soon be eligible to receive the COVID vaccine. Dr. Anthony Fauci says that could happen as soon as next month.
Have zero protection against the virus, so do become a little bit more sick than what we saw previously.
This comes as more than 900 children a day are being admitted to hospitals with COVID-19.
We have young children all the way down to 3 months of age in the hospital without any pre-existing condition.
While the youngest Americans are struggling with Omicron, older Americans are faring much better as long as they're vaccinated and boosted.
New numbers from the CDC show unvaccinated Americans aged 50 to 64 are 44 times more likely to end up in the hospital than their counterparts who have the booster.
The majority of patients who are getting admitted are high-risk patients who are unvaccinated or who are elderly, who have comorbidities like cancer, liver, heart failure, underlying respiratory issues, or diabetes.
There is some good news. In areas where the Omicron wave first hit, infection rates are coming down. New York Governor Kathy Hochul tweeted the state's COVID positivity rate is under 10% for the first time in a month.
Well, there is still strong resistance to COVID vaccines among many Americans, with about 15% of American adults still unvaccinated. There is an anti-vax protest planned for Washington, D.C. this weekend, with organizers saying as many as 20,000 people could be marching, while D.C. police are estimating the number will likely be closer to 3,000. Well, health officials say Sacramento may be hitting the peak of the Omicron curve. The county public health officer says that she's seeing signs that the COVID cases are slowing down, but she wants to wait a few more days before knowing for sure whether or not we've passed that peak. But wastewater analysis of Sacramento County being done by Stanford scientists indicates the surge is slowing.
Since these changes have occurred over several days, it looks like there is a true decrease in SARS-CoV-2 circulation and not a random fluctuation of Omicron.
The public health department says they are still seeing Delta as well as Omicron in our area. They're reminding people to get vaccinated and to continue wearing masks.